Hi all, this brief tech in under 10 is going to look at a website that I think everyone should somehow save or bookmark called Accessible Chef. AccessibleChef.com is the actual website, and what it is, it's a website primarily that provides you with visual recipes to use for individuals for cooking activities and cooking lessons. The site also has a host of other resources that we'll look at briefly. First, let's go to the Resources tab here. You'll see a lot of different things here, but one of the nicest features is pre-made cooking skills videos. There are also tutorials to a couple other things we'll see in a minute on this page. There are some other social media icons and such about the page, but let's turn our focus to the main part of this page, which are the recipes. Accessible Chef has tons and tons of recipes that are pre-made, picture recipes, picture symbol and text recipes for students to use in the classroom or in any living situation that they may be in. If you click the Recipes tab, you'll see some featured recipes coming up here. Or you can just go right to the top and find a recipe. You can browse by category or type of meal. But for now, I'm just going to search, and I'm going to search pizza. This will yield for me different kinds of pizza recipes that have been uploaded into the site from other people. I'm going to go to cheese pizza and see what it looks like and see if this might be appropriate for my classroom. Seems to be well done. Steps, pictures, and text. Again, the nice thing is this now is made for me. If I was going to make this, now I have saved a lot of time, and it also looks nice and is easily to be able to be printed or used on a device with students. Let's go back to recipes. Just going to search one more time. This time let's search ice cream. You'll notice a lot of things with categorized ice cream has come up in here. Let's, for purposes of this, just go all the way to the top and go to Ice Cream Sundae. Again, ready to be used, ready to be printed, clean looking. The digital version of this is almost like a checklist. You can check off your ingredients here, or things you want or don't want. So there's another recipe already made. They also have a recipe creator in here. The tutorial to the recipe creator is located in the Resources tab. We're not going to get involved in this right now, but just to show you, it provides you with different templates that you can use to create a recipe. You can select which type of template you want, and then you can start making it. You make the templates by simply double tapping and changing the text that is in here. You can then add pictures and change other text fields on here by highlighting it. I can add pictures to my page. You can upload them from my computer if I double clicked with this icon, if I had the images already stored. Or I can select the choose from available images option right here. Milk. And then I can drag that on a page, and so on and so forth. I can add text to my page by clicking the text icon and typing. And that will now also appear on my page, so I can put that somewhere else. Okay, so that's all under Recipe Creator. Basically gives you the templates of recipes, allows you to add the pictures and text. Pictures can come from your computer or from the pre-stored clip art type pictures they have in here already. Adding text and changing the labels on here, and then saving them and printing them as your own. But again, the full directions for that is included in the Resources tab on the page as well. So you're able to find those directions. Again, it's pretty easy to do once you get the concept and hang of it, to create the PDF, save them, and print them to use, just like you could find in the Recipe Creator. There are also ways you can make a free account on here and upload recipes you find from the recipes library, and then just edit those in the Recipe Creator as well and save them as your own. So there's that option too. We're not going to get into that, but just so you're aware that's an option. But again, the biggest thing that is used on Accessible Chef in my belief is the recipe database, because you can simply go in there and search for something, and it comes up with tons of pre-made recipe templates that you can then simply print and use, or upload into the creator and edit and use, or it can also give you an idea on things you want to add or change in one you make as well. AccessibleChef.com, totally free to use. Login is possible if you wanted to have it to edit your own recipes and save them as your own. But other than that, check out recipes they have in there, create your own, save them and print them and use them. Totally free, no real logins required. Pretty clean and easy site to use, but definitely one of those ones you want to keep for future use. AccessibleChef.com in under 10 minutes. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.